Hey, welcome back to another junior geometry video. We wrap up a little series we've been chatting about parallel lines with this video, and we're going to talk about co-interior angles on parallel lines. All right, so here's the rule we're going to look at in this video. Co-interior angles on parallel lines sum up to 180 degrees. So you can see below we've got some parallel lines and we've got these two angles tucked in there. They're not the same angle, all right? So they're not the same, but the rule is they add up to 180 degrees. Right, so let's pop out of here, pop and do GeoGebra and show you what we mean by co-interior. So here, once again, we've got some parallel lines. We've got some arrows on there to indicate that they're parallel. Whatever I do, these lines will not get any closer to each other. We're going to draw in this line between them, between E and F, which cuts through the parallel lines at point I and J. And this line, remember, is called a transversal. So let's show you the first pair of co-interior angles. Right, well, here they are here. These two angles here are co-interior. You can see quickly that they're not the same. Co-interior angles are not the same, but they do add up to 180. So 43 plus 137 adds up to 180. All right, and again, I could play around with my transversal and I could change the shape of this here, and you can see that they are always adding up to 180 degrees. They are often nicknamed C angles. I hope you can see, I love that joke. Hope you can see a C in here. Co-interior angles are nicknamed C angles. So let's show you the other pair of co-interior angles, which if I flip it around, you can see it's these two angles tucked in here. All right, these two angles are also co-interior angles, and hopefully you can work out that they also add up to 180 degrees. So the key thing here, co-interior angles add up to 180. If I flick that back for a second and just quickly show you another angle on the diagram here, this angle down the bottom, once it loads up, hopefully you can see that this 141 is corresponding to 141. We talked about corresponding a few videos ago. So those two are corresponding, which means those two are equal. And then you can see that these two angles, 141 and 39, are on a straight line and they add up to 180. So that's hopefully a bit of a quick proof as to why co-interior angles add up to 180. Right, pop back into PowerPoint. Let's just do a quick example. Example number 1, we're going to determine the angle of the size of angle LHG, which is this red angle tucked in here. It's not 86, I'll give you that much clue. It's not the same as 86, but they are co-interior angles, and we know co-interior angles on parallel lines add up to 180. So we just need to say that angle LHG is equal to 94. How did I get 94? Well, I just grabbed a calculator and went 180 subtract 86, and that left me with 94. Remember, with all these geometric rules we've been doing over the last few videos, quite a few videos, you must provide a reason. You can't just put an answer only, and the geometric reason is co-interior angles on parallel lines. Once again, you can say are equal if you want to go on that far, but you don't have to. And here is the shortcut or shorthand version of it. Co-int is the short word for co-interior. Put the angle sign and then use those two dashes to mean parallel lines. All right, hey, thanks so much for watching the video.